back to another video. My name is Taylor. Today we're just going to do a classic holiday glam, and it's no need for an intro, just let's get into the video. I had to run out this morning, so I filled in my brows, but I didn't do my brows. But I'm going to prime my face with this Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Bait, and use this NYX Angel Veil. If I'm looking over there again, that's because my mirror is over there, and I also have a mirror, like a handheld mirror. So that's just it. I'm just putting this stuff on my face. My face is dry because it's cold. It's like 30 something degrees, and right now when I'm recording this, Thanksgiving is tomorrow, so I'm trying to rush because I'm hosting. My family is hosting. So you know, I got a lot of things to do. But I wanted to get this done and up and running for you guys, so yay. Okay, cool. So now I'm going to use the CC cream that I always use, guys. This one is by It's Cosmetics in the color Rich Honey. Just take it in circles and just go in circles. Oh, no. I messed up. Before I hit that area, I keep forgetting this part. I gotta color correct my face because my skin tone isn't even. So before that, I gotta color correct. Y'all see how? See? But this is the orange corrector, so I'm gonna do that real quick. This makes it it makes a big difference. Believe it or not. At first I was like, why do I need to color correct, you know? But really it does make a difference, because, you know, because my smile lines and whatnot, they're kind of darker, you know, doesn't look too well. So yeah, so that's that. Now I can continue to do the foundation.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal, and a Happy New Year.
Okay, so now that I put the foundation on and I carved out my brows and filled them out, we're going to take that sponge and just blend it all in. Just blend it. We want it to look seamless as possible, so spend time blending all of that in so it can look great. You're going to take the Urban Decay primer, eyeshadow primer portion, original, whatever you want to use, which one you want to use. And just put them on your eyelids. I have hooded eyes, so I'm gonna put it all like up, like just bring it up too, because yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do the classic look. I always do my makeup videos without like inspiration because I want to do what I envision, but I screw myself up. Not really, because I end up doing a good job, but I still do it. Like, so I have a vision of what I want, but I don't know what to do. I know I'm using the Morphe palette, 350, and then the Juvia's palette. I'm gonna use those, I know that, but let me look at the colors. Like, I just don't know what to do. I'm gonna be up front with y'all. I'm gonna be up front with you guys. Hey, no, we're not doing that. No, I'm trying to be funny. It's not working out. I'm trying to be up front with you guys. I'm telling y'all, I don't be. No, you know it's not even working out anymore. I'm mad at myself. Anyways, I'm gonna use up front though. All right, let's start with something. Maybe I should do like one eye. So I have all my brushes right here. Let me get rid of this eyeliner brush like that. I'm gonna do my transition color, and I think what's calling me? I think Newest. Yeah, Newest is calling me. So I'm gonna use this color right here. Okay. So Newest is my shade color. It's not really doing much, but you know what? It'll be fine. But that's not gonna be our color. We're gonna try this one. I mean, that works out, yeah. We're gonna do that. Alright, then we're going to take this brush and go with a dark color. I think I'm going to go with Cafe. I think that's what that's going to be. I'm going to do this one actually. That's not Cafe, this is Cafe, but this one. Right here. You just take that and put that right there where we... Oh! Yeah.
Christmas, you filthy.
This blending brush right here.
Happy New Year.
And take I think one of these out of these three I'm gonna choose from. I think I'm gonna go with that color. And just put that at the end. I'm gonna show y'all what color I'm using actually. I was actually using this one at the top. Alright, so now I'm gonna like cut the crease and just the in the corner part, nothing special. Like right here. Oh, and by the way, this concealer shade is Fawn. That's what I'm using. Blend that in with a blender real quick. Then I'm gonna take this brush. These two shades. No, this shade. It's a little bit more warm for me. I need kind of like a warm look.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Masquerade palette. Sorry, I was looking at the thing. And I need to glue this back on, like, anyways. Since this is falling out, I'm gonna use this one right here. Okay, there. Put some on my brush, like this. Then spray it on, like spray the brush once it's already on the brush. Like this with my Mario Badescu spray. And then I'm gonna just put it on the lid where we put the other white color at. And don't worry about the fallout because that can be fixed because you didn't like put the concealer on, you just put foundation on. So that's what we're going to do for now. That's how it's just going to look for now. We're not finished, but that's how it's going to look for now. We're going to go back with that brown and just go in and fix that a little bit. And then we're going to do our waterline first. And then I'm going to attempt to do my eyeliner because you know how they do the big wing or the long wing. But I might do that off camera because I struggle. I use the Morphe brush, the eyeliner brush, and a NYX gel. Okay, so I tried. Anyways, it's our foundation. I just used the Fit Me Pro foundation in the color 355. That is my shade. And just take that, just like this, and just go around your face. Foundation powder. Avoid the eye area. Just set your foundation. I get oily. I get really oily because I have combination skin, so it's just, this turns out better for me if I just powder my face. I have to do a foundation. You're not gonna look crazy. I promise you that. So now we're gonna conceal my face with the concealer. Ooh, that's a lot. We're gonna take our beauty blender and just blend that joint in. The Revolution banana powder. And I'm gonna just take this brush, take the sponge and just tap it on the areas of where I highlighted. I don't want too much because, yeah. And just bake for a while. Contouring, if you watch my videos, take this paintbrush straight out of Michael's. And then contour above my cheekbones. Because when I blend out, it drags down. You don't want to drag too far. So you contour your lip to make your lips look up here, look bigger. And create that shadow. Look like an ornament. I blend the small areas with this brush by e.l.f. I think. Yeah, the blending brush, and then this contour brush from this place that my dad got my makeup brushes from. I think from BJ's, but I don't know what brand it was. But I love these brushes. So yeah, it was a gift set for Christmas. Yeah, it was last year. I think it was last year. Don't forget to go watch my other holiday video. I have like this cute Christmas look, other Christmas look. It's not the holiday glam, but it's a different look. And I think you guys will enjoy it. So take a look at that. I'll link that down below or up here. The contour palette from True Complexion, medium to dark. And we just put that over the powder over our cream contour. And just pat that in, or just blend it in like that. Alright, and sweep all the excess banana powder away. And just take the beauty blender and just set your face. And take our face brush, and it's in color plum, the Maybelline Dreamy Bouncy whatever blush. I love this blush. Like, it lasts forever. I had this since forever. And just put it on your cheeks. Just a little bit is fine. So we're gonna go under with one of the dark shades that I have with this brush. I'm just gonna go under my eyes. I'm gonna go with a darker shade too. Put that under. Okay. Keeping it simple. I use these two lip liners, the NYX Professional Matte Lip Liner in color Vintage, and then this Maybelline Lasting Drama pencil, and this is like gone, but just line the lip. If you hear TV, that's my brother downstairs. Then we're going to take this pencil and just go over that a little bit and go in like that.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
Like that. Then I'm gonna take the lip color Monte Carlo, yeah, by the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. I love this. It's just not enough in the bottle, which drives me insane. But that's what we're doing. And I'm gonna take that, and that's gonna be a holiday lip. It's like nothing in here. I just bought this lip to y'all. I just bought this. Now we're gonna highlight. So spray your face. Take your fan brush, and we're going to highlight. Ooh, did I fart when I said that? I'm sorry. I did crazy stuff like that. I wasn't even paying. It was just, I just wanted to fart because I'm home, so I farted. Sorry, I didn't mean. We're gonna take this strobe highlighter by Revolution. Yeah. Ooh, That's like, I didn't even spray my brush. I didn't spray my brush at all. So I'm going to put my lashes on and I'll be right back. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use. I'm either going to use the Ardell Faux Mink, and I think those lashes are $8.11, or these lashes that I got off of Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, you know what these are. I think I have a discount code for Nio something lashes. They look like these, and then the other one looks like these. So I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use yet, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I put my lashes on. I'm with the dramatic ones because I like the dramatic. So I'm gonna take my NYX mattifying setting spray, and this is the final look. This is the result. I have a bun up in my head, if you can see. If you can see that. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any more ideas that you would like to see this season or anytime, let me know, and I'll plan it out for you guys and try to get those up for you guys. And I hope you guys like this video. I really like this look. It always works out in my favor. Like, I never know what I'm gonna do, and I just do it. Like, I have a vision, but you know. And so I love you guys. Follow me on all my social media so I can keep you updated. Don't forget to click the bell so you can be notified every time I post. And check out my other videos, my other holiday videos. I have, of course, Halloween is over, but I have the Thanksgiving one, but you can wear that really all year. And this one and my other Christmas one. So I hope you guys enjoy those. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.